that saying salam is a good practice? Allah likes it. Let's say salam to everybody. Assalamu Alaikum.
Wa Alaikum Us-Salaam.
May peace be upon you, Mommy dear and Daddy too. We love you, Mommy and Daddy.
Love you too.
Alhamdulillah. Assalamu Alaikum.
Wa Alaikum Us-Salaam.
May peace be upon you, our dear Ustaz Musa.
Let's do it every day. Say salam to everyone. Together we will love everyone and anyone.
Assalamu Alaikum. Wa Alaikum Us-Salaam. May peace be upon you, Faris and Sara too.
Let's do it every day. Say salam to everyone. Together we will love everyone and anyone.
Assalamu Alaikum. Wa Alaikum Us-Salaam. May peace be upon you, our dear Miss Laila. Let's do it every day. Say salam to everyone. Together we will love everyone and anyone.
Let's do it every day. Say salam to everyone. Together we will love everyone and anyone.